Do you want to know how you can bet on Draftkings? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube, with your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start to bet on Draftkings. Go ahead and open draftkings.co.uk on your browser and log into your account. Make sure that you have deposited some balance, otherwise you cannot bet. So let's go ahead and click on enter, which is over here, to enter into our first bet. After you click on enter, you can see the contest goes live in the suggested time. So if it doesn't work, you can start betting in other teams or players as well. So you can see that this page has loaded up. Now let's go ahead and bet on this. So I'm going to select some players I want to bet to. And you can see the average return, the salary expected by entering $25. So you can go ahead and click enter 25, and there you go. So you can see that now as the amount is in plus, you can go ahead and click enter. And if the required numbers of players matches, then you can start betting. So you must notice there are some different interfaces. So this is for the NBA. And if you choose other games, the betting interface will be different. So that's how you start to bet on Draftkings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.